Hello guys, we are going to do a unboxing. We have multiple parcel in this sale. So there is one hard disk Toshiba Kenvue Advance, then a case for that, and the third thing is interesting one, that is a camera. So let's unbox that. I'll do just cutting the parcel. The very first thing, it is a case for a hard disk. Okay. It's a surveillance camera. It's a IMOU, what we can call it, IMOU Ranger 2. Okay, it's a very interesting product, and I have heard a lot good stuff about this. So we're going to unbox this. And finally, so this is the hard disk. Kenvue Advance. It's made by Toshiba and it's for 2 TB. Let's unbox the hard disk first. Some documentation for warranty. One data cable, that is normal data cable. 3.0. And the box. It is very pocket friendly, like very pocket size. They call it 2.5 centimeter, not centimeter, 2.5 inch form factor. I wanted to go for black color, but it was not available, so I chose this one. But it looks good. I'm happy with this color as well. There is nothing to unbox more. Yeah, we'll directly connect it. Is plug and play. I'll connect it to my laptop afterwards, and it should work. The cover, it is an air case. Its quality is good, and it was recommended on the Amazon. When I purchased the hard disk, it only recommended me to go for this cover. So you can see the hard disk size is very small. This much space is still there. So even with hard disk, we can put the wire. There is the separate section for wire, but we can put it here if you want, or some. See, you can see because the hard disk size is smaller. So easy to carry, and it will protect your hard disk. Now the third and very interesting product is this one. Okay, so I'll unbox this. I compared Xiaomi camera, Realme camera, and then I chose this because of comparison. Many people were appreciating this product very much over MI and Realme. In Realme, they have given H256 compression, and in MI Xiaomi camera they have given H264 compression. So the benefit is the compression ratio is too high in Realme in H265 that it takes almost half memory for the same length video clip of the same quality, right? Of the same resolution, I mean. So, and this camera, it also have H265 compression. There is a cloud storage option as well, but for that you have to pay extra. You have to take some cloud plans. This is the documentation. Then it's a camera. We'll see. Look into it afterwards. Let's check what all other things we got. So there is some paperwork, lot of paperwork actually, and right, see, charging brick. So it is not a charging brick, it is a power supply brick, because there is no battery as such in this. So don't think that you will charge it and then you will use it whenever power is not there. So it is a continuous power supply brick. So if you want to mount it on the wall, so they have given this clip, then this sticker to make marking on your wall, so that you will stick it there, then make the marking and holes, and then you will put this clip, you will screw this clip there. So these are the stuff they are given. Good, actually, they are given a thought thoroughly to the product and how to mount and what all will be the requirements for the client. Again, it is a long USB cable. It is a USB type A to micro USB again, so it's good they have given it, and they have given screws as well. Fine. So again, that's a good part. Then let's see. So it's a huge guide. So many things are given here. Now let's have a look on the camera. It's small size, not very big. Smaller than my palm. 360-degree camera. You can see. You can check. See, right now my finger is here. Okay. So it's a truly 360-degree camera, not 270 or something like that. When they call it 360, it's a 360. At least horizontally, it covers 360 degree, and vertically we'll get to know how it does. Again, for power supply, micro USB, and one LAN cable you can connect here for internet supply through LAN. Okay. It is tabletop. If you want to mount it on the wall in other direction, you can do that, right? So that is also possible, like this. So again, for now, I'll check it how to install app and everything. It is just an unboxing. Then once I use that, I'll try to make a video on that as well, because I need multiple stuff, one SD card and those things. Yeah, about SD card, I can show you. If I do this, if I roll it like this, there is a slot for SD card. Here there is a slot for SD card, and besides that there is a button for reset. Okay. So, and as per my knowledge, it supports 256 GB of SD card, and it supports H265 compression. So you can understand. I think it is going to it will be able to store more than, definitely more than 15 days, but even more than that, maybe month or more than that. That much footage will be stored in, can be stored in the SD card using this cam. So let's see how it is and how it's going to perform. I'll let you know in my further videos. So if you like this product, if you like my videos, not unboxing videos, I make some of the finance or investment related videos, and as well as some technical videos. So have a look on that. If you like that, please like those videos, subscribe and encourage me. Thank you. That's it. This is Akshay Daga signing off. Bye.